This internet business model will make you money quickly. I mean, very, very quickly. Right from day one, you can start making money for yourself. But hey, trust me, if you want to make money in a lazy way, if you're looking for a click kind of website to make money, this video is not for you. But if you want to build something that you can scale for a longer time, something that will bring you money every single day, then I want you to stick and stay with me to the very end of the video. If you look below this video, the screenshot you're seeing is as a result of this business that I'm going to talk to you about. All right, I've made several thousands of dollars from this business model that I'm going to share with you. Now, for the records, number one, you don't need any capital to start this business that I'm going to talk to you about. Zero capital. Number two, you don't need any gadgets. You don't even need any physical gadgets. No need for cameras and all of that. You just need your laptop or your phone. That's all. Number three, there is zero risk. Means you're not going to risk anything at all. Like, you're not going to risk anything. You don't have to lose money, put money anywhere. Nothing. Then the final thing, that you're going to make passive income. This means that you don't have to actively work to be able to make money. You can make money even when you're sleeping, because what you're going to set up is going to make you money autopilot. But trust me, it is not a lazy man's approach. Even though it makes you money quickly, it is not a lazy man's approach. So if you're lazy, you're not willing to put in the work, bro, this video is not for you. All right, I'll be going to my screen. I'll be showing you revenues that I've made from this business model and how you can focus, how you can also pay attention and then learn something and start something of your own. Very important, bro. So first of all, I want you to look at this as a marketplace. All right, so we're setting up marketplace where we sell stuff, not an online store. I'm just trying to create a scenario, a physical market store that people come in to buy stuff, but this time the market store is running autopilot. You don't keep the inventory and all of that. People come in to buy stuff. Whilst you sleep, you make the money. All right, so I'm going to make this swift. In just 6-7 minutes, we should be done with the whole procedure on how you can set this business model. I've shown you the proof. The screenshots is down below. I don't teach BS on this channel. Anything that we talk about on this channel is something that I do, something that actually works if you put in the work. Now, the potential of this, if you're a beginner, you can be making between $500 to $2,000 in a month as a beginner. All right, if you're an intermediate, you can make it $5,000 to $15,000 a month if you are an intermediate. That is, if you've done this for like a year or two. All right, and if you're an expert, you can make unlimited, 50,000 and above with automation and scaling. AI is making businesses a bit more easier for us to get into. So the whole thing is affiliate marketing. All right, the whole brouhaha is around affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is about making money by promoting other people's products. All right, so I'm going to talk to you about, first of all, the products we're going to promote. That is number one. And then we're going to also look at how we can automate this whole affiliate marketing product selling system, that we do not have to do it every single day. It's as simple as that. All right, so the step one is to choose a high converting affiliate program. All right, a high converting affiliate program. Now, I want you to pay attention critically. This is a no BS kind of video. I want you to pay attention. I want you to learn something from this. All right, because it's going to work for you when it works for me perfectly fine. Now, you're going to choose a high converting affiliate program. When we say a high converting affiliate program, it means that there's a program that if you send 100 people, if you refer 100 people to the landing page, at least like 20% of them is going to buy. All right, and if 20% are buying, it means that this is a high converting affiliate program. So imagine if you're sending 100 people, 20 are buying. If you're sending 1,000, 200 are buying. If you're sending 10,000, then it means there is more money to be made even when you sleep. All right. I always say this on this channel. You don't make money from any platform by clicking anything, tapping on anything. You make money when people spend money. Money is always a medium of exchange, bro. So if you want to start a serious business, okay, focus on my channel and then learn these things that I'm going to teach you. Every other thing that you see that's a lazy man's approach, bro, you may waste your time. All right, so learn it the hard way, do the hard things, and then let's make some money together. So choose a high converting affiliate program. In my case, I'm going to choose Amazon Kindle. All right, Amazon Kindle. Here you can promote books from Amazon, that is ebooks, and people get to buy. Now, the reason why we're choosing Amazon Kindle is the fact that people want to read more books, but they don't have access to physical books. It's high in demand, It's high in demand because lots of people have heard about the books. They are trying hard to get these books. More and more people want to consume more knowledge, but they want it the easy way, the soft copy. All right, so Amazon Kindle, and the books that you're going to sell are cheap. If anybody sees a $20 book, a $30 book, and they're interested, they are going to buy it. So if you're making even $5 or $3 off of a sale, okay, from Amazon Kindle, that is good money. Now, if you want to make $100 a day, and we're getting $5 commission for every book sale that we make, it means we need total about 20 sales in a day to get that. That's not a problem. It shouldn't be your headache. Don't worry. It's always difficult from the beginning if you look for the further vision. It looks a bit difficult, but trust me, we are going to make it work. I'm going to show you my Facebook page, my page on Facebook, how I've been able to scale it. And I'm using this Amazon Kindle business model to make loads of money. All right. So what happens is, after we have chosen the high converting affiliate program, that's step one. Number two, we're going to set up an AI powered content funnel. So you can set up a blog, social media page that is funded or powered by AI. All right. So you are going to set up a social media page if you don't have enough to put in the blog. Or you can set up a blog if you have very little capital. I'll leave a description on how you can set up your hosting domain, set up a full blog for just $35. I'll leave a description in the video below for you to check it out. So the step two is setting up a channel where people are going to go to access content that is going to push them to read their books. All right. There is a post that I did about a book, one single book, and I had about 300 people sharing the post on Facebook. All right. That particular post, over the last few years, I've reached about 1 million people on Facebook with my page. All I do is post about books that are on Amazon Kindle. All right. I've reached at least 1 million people in the last 28 days. That's 4 weeks. I have about 980,000, if I'm not mistaken. I have not checked, but I'll check. I'll share down here. You will see. Okay. So that is it. You can see I have 980 plus people that are 980 plus thousand people that have seen my content, and my content is strictly about books. Okay, some of the books you get like 100 comments, 200 comments, you get 1,000 likes. All right, because people want to buy these books, but they don't know how to access these books. So Amazon Kindle is one powerful platform where I make a lot of affiliate sales from through my Facebook page. So my Facebook page is my second step, my AI content powered platform. All right. First step we're going to look at is direct traffic. Okay, so if I have the blog or have a social media, I need to do content that is going to push me to get people to come to my social media. When they click, okay, they read the content on my social media or my blog, they just go to Amazon Kindle, they find the book, they buy the book. It's as simple as that. All right, and then scale with paid ads. Now, when you are making money of this business model, you can scale it up with paid ads. You can now be paying Facebook to push it to more people. More and more people are going to show interest and then watch this content. All right, let me jump on my screen briefly and show you what I'm talking about. You see on my screen right now, okay, you can see I have about 23,000 followers, and then 740,000 people reached in the last 28 days, right? 27 new followers, and then I have 14,000 post engagement. That's quite a good number. All right, so I post about books. Okay, so this is one of the books, How to Prosper in Hard Times. All right, it's a collection of insights from famous success stories, blah blah blah. This book reached 45 people, and I post books every single day. I'm going to show you a lot of them. Lessons from every time I find the meaning of life. All right, so they changed it by whatever. This 21 reach 101, reach 121. All right, so this is more of being consistent. Okay, 116. Some of the content are going to go high, some of the content, so this is, for example, 475. All right, and at the end of the day, 20 books to read before 2025. So that's the content I did. 68 people saw it, 5 people engaged with it. So every single day, at least some 20-50 people are clicking my links onto Amazon Kindle. All right, I do this post every single day, very consistently. I don't miss a day. I do a bit of AI. All right, the magic of thinking big. 69 people reached. Okay, 77 people reacted. All right, 118. I'm going to show you a few of the posts that did very well and brought in sales. Okay, to my platform. So this one's 300, 227. All right, 200. But I have some very well-performing content, okay, that I will be showing you pretty soon. There are content that were able to reach at least 10,000 people, all right, and these are organic. These are 100% organic content. None of them were promoted. These are 100% organic content, all right. So I want you to either set up a Facebook page. Look at this. Look at this, bro. 40 sites to download free books that will change your life. All right. And this is 218,000 people that were reached. 5,000 people engaged with this particular post, bro. So what I'm talking to you about is not just some BS that you will find online. This is something you can do. Okay, 100% of the people that were reached are not my followers. They don't follow my page. At Facebook, organically showed this to a lot of people. Now, look at this. 276,000 people. Bro, this is a lot of human beings. So, in the description here, all right, this particular one I did not put in a link because it was just to drive engagement to my page, all right? But mostly down here, I'll just leave a link. Check out this book, blah, blah, blah. Then I put the Amazon Kindle link. There you see Amazon dots over there. Now, this is the post that I made, and this post did extremely well, all right? This is 218,000 people reached. So, bro, if you are selling a book on your Facebook page, okay, this is 5,000 engagements. So this one will be the only post. Every single day, this is 1,000 people reached, all right? And every single day, I'm making content, and this is all automated. Okay, I don't have to spend my time on these things. As far as people are getting reached, AI is doing the work, sending the content across, okay, every single time. I'm scheduling them. People are going on the Amazon Kindle platform, buying the book. I'm sorted, bro. I am genuinely sorted. As you've seen here, there are lots of them that bring in lots of revenues. This is 498, okay? And there are lots of them. There are a lot of them. There are some of the posts that are doing 10,000, 15, this 19,000, all right? So this is a book called The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. So this is a book that I posted on my page. And if somebody sees this book, all right, you can click. Okay, so what I do is I put a summary, all right. Good, this is great. That's a link. So I put a summary here, okay, a summary of the lessons I have learned. That is 7. So I tell ChatGPT, right from the top 7 lessons you learned from blah 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 blah. Act. So the prompt is simple. Act as an experienced book reviewer and write for me 7 important lessons you learned from the book with the title The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. ChatGPT gives me the text. I just copy, I paste it here, I put my link down here. So this link here, when you click on this link, it takes you straight. Okay, no bend, no care, it takes you straight. Now 25,000 people actually saw this video, this post. 19,000 reached. Okay, 68 interaction. The link clicks, 9 people click the link. All right, and this brings you straight to Amazon. You get a business model. This brings you straight to Amazon. Here, you can see the link here. People can order the hardcover. Okay, the hardcover is $37. Paperback is $16. Then they have the audio book for free trial. All right, and I still get paid if somebody signs up for the free trial. All right. This is the Kindle Unlimited, or $16 and all of that. So somebody comes here, they see the book, they buy the book, and then I get the commission. It's as simple as that. And I don't spend a penny on this. So as you can see, there's a link over there. That is a link. Click, it takes you there, you buy the book, and then that is all. So I have a lot of them, a lot of the posts. If I see I'm going through, it will take forever. But the whole business model is clear. All right, so this is no BS. You will sleep, and people are buying the books, you're making your money. It's as simple as that. Right. First step, choose a high converting program. Make use of Amazon Kindle. It's very important. So just sign up with Amazon Affiliate Program. We call it Amazon Associates. Right. So just set up Amazon Associate account, and it's free. And then choose Amazon Kindle product, the books, the links of the books that you want to promote, especially the popular books. Right. And then set up your social media page. For Facebook, it could be all of the platforms, but Facebook is better because Facebook allows you to insert links in your post. Instagram will not do that. You have to do link in bio. TikTok will not do that. But Facebook is more powerful. All right. Then set up direct traffic from socials to your office. So people come to your socials like I showed you, and then they click straight to the offer that you are promoting. It's as easy as that. They click the link over here, as you can see. click the link, and you go straight to your socials. Bro, this is business, bro. This is business. Then, when you are making more money, okay, you think this is more money you're making, just scale it up. By this thing, I can boost it. Okay, I can just hit on boost and want to reach another 25,000 people. So, for example, if I check my Amazon Kindle, I'm Amazon Associate Balance, and I see that okay, the intelligent investor, is giving me good revenue. What I can do is I can run an ad on this book, reach 100,000 more people, and that is more money because more people are going to click the link, more people are going to buy it. It's as simple as that. Once I scale, I can make even more money. So as a beginner, you can make like $500 to $2,000 in a month if you are doing this business model. If you're an intermediate, 5,000 to 15,000 you can make. And if you are an expert, trust me, there is no limit to how much money you can put in promoting these Amazon books and how much money you can make back. If you love this video, you want me to do more videos on this particular concept, let me know. If you have other concepts from subsequent videos, let me know as well. I'll share with you on the screen of this particular video my top 10 internet businesses I tried and I currently run all of them, and how you can also tap into any of them and start these businesses for yourself. Let me know your thoughts in the description. Do me a favor, drop me a like if you like the video, smash the subscribe button, the bell as well for me, so that when I drop the next video, you can get access to it. Bro, don't waste your time. Don't waste any time on BS. Focus, learn something that is valuable, and I'll see you in the next one.